Y'all know that one aesthetic video I made? Well, this is the not so aesthetic parts.
It's nice to hear from you.
I know, I'm gonna cover your face with a boba.
With the boba?
What? Be like, the face of me. You know what happened?
Now we're on the freeway.
It's me! It's facing me! So what happened was we missed the stop for the last bus by one stop.
And I'm gonna hear you.
Wait. Wanna say some encouraging words?
No.
We're in a very safe place. What? Oh my god.
We can't hear the helicopter because of the freeway.
No, but we are so safe. We are so safe.
Should I try to citizen? Yeah.
So we're really safe with this plane up in the air in the side of a freeway.
No, see, Lali woke up earlier and got ready earlier and got
Verbally attacked by... Verbally?
No, they didn't.
Actions.
Yeah. With their actions, they're gonna attack us. We're all those birds.
We gotta clean up afterwards because they made
Yeah. They're making us so we can look dumb. Where did those stupid birds go? They knew they were wrong because the second they saw us. Wow.
Girl, there's literally no food. What if it gets your sandal and then...
He won't. Because they know, I think they know the difference between like he thinks you don't see him.
It's like scouting out our stuff. Oh, we wanted the
Picked up a
fry.
fry.
That's what the homegirl wanted this whole time.
No, but he dug through the trash to find it.
He's gonna leave us alone now. What if he's calling like his seagull friend?
No, because if
Look at-
one
oh
gets
my
fed, they all
God,
come.
Esme.
I think he's making sure we can see him or not.
Girl, you got your food already. Leave. Esme, what if it goes in my bag? Oh my god.
No, I don't think they do that. I think it's just food. Is it to a taxi?
I think so. Okay. I'm over it.
Oh my god, they're hounding her. They're hounding you!
That's it. That's the big thing.
Excuse you. He knows he's guilty, look.
He's walking away. He's side-eyeing us. He's side-eyeing me.
And I'm gonna do the trash. Well, he knows.
You guys are filming videos. Tell me so I can shut up. And my annoying little voice is not in all your videos.